I teach social policy, I teach aging policy and service delivery, and I teach international social work. Grew up in Nebraska and remained in the Midwest to take my college degree at Augustana College. My master's degree came from Columbia University, and that was the School of Social Work. After working in the field for a while, I went back and got my PhD degree at Brandeis University, a focus on social policy, but a good deal of emphasis on social welfare policy. At Brandeis, I was able to attend the International Conference on Social Welfare. I submitted a grant proposal, one of 3 undergraduate programs in the United States that was funded, and we were invited to New York to meet with the director of the Council on Social Work Education, whose name was Katherine Kendall. Her office was actually right across the street from the United Nations, and she started talking about how it's important for social work to be involved in the United Nations. Katherine Kendall got me involved with the International Association of Schools of Social Work. I was just started in social work education at Western Michigan University, but I came to Cleveland for the Council on Social Work Education's annual program meeting, and I had a great conversation with Herman Stein. He was the dean of MSAS. And Herman Stein was one of my professors at Columbia University School of Social Work. Came to MSAS as a dean of what was then SAS, now MSAS. I think we succeeded to build a national reputation of the school, recruiting faculty like Alvin Shore and Howard Goldstein, who came to MSAS with national reputations, but then also hiring young people who were going to have national reputations, such as Claudia Colton, Sharon Milligan. After I became dean, I met Lou Stokes in his office in Washington. I could see Lou Stokes was going to be a person whose values and commitments were clearly related to what we were doing in social work. We talked about, wouldn't it be great if some social work students from SAS could spend some time in Washington? That was the beginning of discussion of what became the Washington Semester Program. The International Association of Schools of Social Work is what we call a consulting non-governmental organization with the UN. I became one of the 5 IASSW representatives about 25 years ago, and those representatives then participate in meetings at the UN. The 5 representatives are in different areas. I'm particularly participate in the NGO Committee on Aging. I was invited to be one of 15 members that worked with the Secretariat in drafting the International Plan of Action on Aging. And I took a group of students to the World Health Assembly in Geneva, Switzerland. We set up some meetings with some of the international agencies in Geneva, and we went to the World Health Organization. I came back, called up the director of the City of Cleveland Department of Aging. We talked about setting up a global age-friendly city program in Cleveland. We have now gone through 2 years and have had about 40 other agencies involved with it, and now have come up with an action plan that we're implementing. China has been my latest international venture. I think I've been there about 8 times. Been providing consultation in terms of the development of graduate social work education, but also doing some teaching in the area of social policy and aging policy. I think the Mandel School is a very important part of my life for 42 years, and I'm very, very happy that I've been part of this great social work school.